Maintaining boundaries is crucial for healthy relationships. Here are some key aspects to consider. Know what you are comfortable with and what you are not. This includes emotional, physical, and time boundaries. Express your boundaries to others in a clear and respectful manner. To avoid sounding accusatory, use sentences in which you express your own emotions such as, "I feel overwhelmed when," or, "It makes me sad when." Don't use sentences like, "You always," or, "You never." Remember to be consistent. Consistency helps reinforce your boundaries. If you set a boundary, stick to it. This helps others understand that your boundaries are important and non-negotiable. Respect others' boundaries because just as you have your own boundaries, others have theirs. Respecting their limits fosters mutual respect and understanding. Be aware of when your boundaries are being crossed. Address these situations promptly and assertively to prevent resentment from building up. You can tell if another person disrespects your boundaries if they violate your boundaries repeatedly, make you feel uncomfortable, put pressure on you, or minimize or mock your requests and needs. Practice self-care because taking care of yourself is essential. Ensure you have time for activities that rejuvenate you and help you maintain a healthy balance. You can do it by getting enough physical activity, eating nutritious foods, avoiding harmful substances, and prioritizing sleep, or trying relaxing activities, for example yoga. If you find it challenging to maintain boundaries, consider seeking support from friends, family, or a professional. They can offer guidance and encouragement. Establishing and maintaining boundaries can take time, especially if you are not used to it. Be patient with yourself and others as you navigate this process. Maintaining boundaries helps create a respectful and supportive environment in your relationships. Is there a specific situation where you're finding it difficult to set or maintain boundaries? Comment and subscribe for more.